Hi, today I have a challenge log for you guys. It's a challenge log number 18 by Vice Pick and Lock. It's without key, but it's ISA. This log was sent to me by Southampton Lock Picking Club. So guys, thank you very much for sending it to me. I think it's 5 or 6 pin lock. Let me check. It's a 5 pin lock. Yeah, here's the card that was with the lock. So I go check Vice Pick and Lock channel and Southampton Lock Picking Club. So it's number 18 challenge lock, no keys. So yeah. I will start picking it, and I will of course use my standard force diamond, and I'm using the vice from first time using the vice from Starlock. So yeah, let's start. I will go, let's say, counterclockwise, and of course my favorite forest diamond. 1 nothing, 2 nothing, 3 nothing, 4 nothing, 4 click. Oh, I'm automatically click with pin number 4 in deep full set. And inside pins feel like juggling a lot, so maybe this is I touch pin number 1 and I'm in deeper full set, so maybe the pins or the chambers are smaller or chambers are bigger, but anyways. So now I think I set pin number 3, and now 5 it's back, sorry, 4 it's back, 5 2 3 1 click. I need to know how to stay in frame. And 5, the tension for this one, it's very light because the pins are strangely they're really fluffy. I hope I will pick it and I will disassemble it. I really want to see the pins. So 5 4 now, like nothing is, so I touch pin number 2 and 1 and we are open. Whew, I was thinking that nothing was talking to me. So yeah, that's awesome. I pick it. It feels very fluffy inside, so I really don't know what is inside, but we'll figure it out. So I will zoom in a bit of my pinning tray. So I was really not prepared this time, so give me a second, guys. I will get my tools. So do we open it from, yeah, let's open the C-clip. Let's remove the C-clip, and I will probably open the usual way. I have this one, and I'm using the fluffy tool. Come on. Yeah. So I need a shim. I hope I'm in frame. Let's do it like this. Shim. Just in case pins are on that side. Yes, that's good. So a lot of, you can see, done a lot of custom pins. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 awesome pins for before I rearrange the pins. So first is rated, not rated, it's tapped, so how it's called, again I forgot, I will put text. So all 5 chambers are tapped. I don't know how it's called, I forgot. So first one, second one, third one, all custom made awesome pins. I'll do a close-up, but let's check the drivers. Yeah, the first is a T-pin. I cannot catch him. Here's the spring. Yeah, like cake T-pin. The second one is again T-pin. The same one. That's why the third one, it's again T-pin. I hope not all of them are T-pins. Fourth one, it's standard. And the fifth one, it's another T-pin. Oh, that's why I felt immediately in a false set. I need to check the chambers. Nothing, 2, 3, 4, 5. Nothing done on the body. So yeah, it's awesome. So 1 is spool with serration, 2 keeping it's a spool, 4 it's a bomb-like, 3 is a bomb-like, 4 is a serrated, 5th one it's serration plus spool. 1, 2, 3 and 5 are step down T-pins, so like Christmas, like cakes, and only the 4th one is a standard, and springs are all the same. So yeah, awesome lock. That was number 18 by Vice Pick and Lock. Picked and got it. Thanks for creating this lock, Vice Pick and Lock, and Southampton Lock Picking Club, thanks for sending it to me. So guys, thanks for watching. Have a nice day, have a nice picking, and bye bye.